Hello students, now the next topic is salts of strong acid and strong base. Strong acid and strong base are neutral with pH value of 7. Now take for example, एक strong acid और strong base का salt ले लेते हैं, जैसे कि take a strong base like NaOH and take a strong acid like HCl. तो क्या बनेगा? NaCl plus H2O. NaCl is the salt and H2O is also formed as byproduct. तो जो NaCl का aqueous solution होगा that will be neutral. Why? NaCl को जब वाटर में डिसॉल्व करेंगे तो ये हाइड्रोलाइज हो जाएगा और हाइड्रोलाइज होके ये करस्पॉन्डिंग बेस और एसिड फॉर्म करेगा फ्रॉम विच इट इज फॉर्म्ड. तो एसिड बेस बन गया. नाउ दिस NaOH is a strong base. What is the meaning of a strong base? Means in aqueous solution NaOH will be dissociated into Na plus and OH minus ion. Similarly, HCl is a strong acid. In aqueous solution, it will be dissociated into H plus and Cl minus. तो क्या हो गया? In aqueous solution, equal amount of H plus and OH minus ions are present. जो H plus ion की concentration है, it is equal to the concentration of OH minus. And as a result of this, the solution is neutral. pH of the solution is 7. ठीक है. तो जो strong acid और strong base से जो salt बनता है, for example NaCl, when it is dissolved in water, it gets hydrolyzed and it gives the strong acid and the strong base. तो ये जो strong acid और base है, ये fully ionize हो जाते हैं in aqueous solution, giving the corresponding cation and anion. Base से जो anion मिलता है वो है OH minus ion और acid से जो cation मिलता है वो है H plus ion. H plus और OH minus ion की concentration equal होती है because of which pH is 7, solution is neutral. Now next is salts of strong acid and weak base are acidic. Salts of strong acid and weak base are acidic with pH values less than 7. Now take example of a salt of strong acid and a weak base. It is ammonium chloride. इसकी जब हाइड्रोलिसिस करेंगे तो बेस मिलेगा अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और जो एसिड बनेगा वो है HCl. ठीक है. अब अमोनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज अ वीक बेस, HCl इज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड. तो HCl जो है एक्वा सोल्यूशन में फुली आयनाइज होके H प्लस और Cl माइनस आयन दे देगा. बट NH4OH जो है वो वीक बेस है, इसलिए वो 100% आयनाइज नहीं होगा. इट विल गिव अमोनियम आयन and OH minus ion in aqueous solution, but the ionization is not 100%. Some of the NH4OH remains in undissociated form, as a result of which concentration of OH minus ion is less than the concentration of H plus ion. तो इससे क्या होगा? H plus ion की concentration ज़्यादा है, means pH is less, means solution is acidic. So pH of the solution will be less than 7. तो solution क्या हो जाएगा? Acidic. The trick to remember the nature of the solution, acidic or basic nature of the solution of different kinds of salts is, when the salt is made up of strong acid and strong base, then the pH is 7, solution is neutral. And when a salt is made up of strong acid and weak base, then the solution is acidic. So how will you remember? If acid is strong, solution will be acidic and pH will be less than 7. If base is strong, solution will be basic. Solution of the salt will be basic and pH will be greater than 7. Now next is, and those of a strong base and weak acid are basic in nature, pH value more than 7. Take for example sodium acetate, CH3COO(Na). Now this salt on hydrolysis gives acetic acid and sodium hydroxide. Now sodium hydroxide is a strong base and it dissociates completely into Na plus and OH minus ion. Whereas acetic acid is a weak acid and it partially dissociates to give acetate ion and H plus ion. ठीक है. तो acetic acid is not 100% dissociated. It is partially dissociated and it gives acetate and H plus ions. So when you dissolve sodium acetate in water, the 4 kinds of ions which are present in water are sodium ion, hydroxide ion, acetate ion and H plus ion. Now since acetic acid is partially dissociated, concentration of H plus ions is less than concentration of OH minus ions. Now since the concentration of OH minus ions is high, the solution is basic in nature. pH of the solution will also be high. It will be greater than 7. You can also remember it like this. Since the concentration of H plus ions is low, pH of the solution is high. Okay? And the solution is basic in nature, having pH greater than 7. So in case of a salt made up of weak acid and strong base, when you dissolve this salt in water, the solution will be basic in nature. So nature of the solution will depend upon whether the salt is made up of a strong base and weak acid or a strong acid and a weak base. So the trick is, whenever you are given a salt, you identify the acid and base from which the salt is made. जिस भी acid और base से वो salt बना है, you have to identify. Or in other words, you just see the hydrolysis reaction of the salt. See which acid and which base are formed as a result of hydrolysis of the salt. अब एसिड और बेस दोनों इक्वल स्ट्रेंथ के होंगे, अगर मीन्स बोथ आर स्ट्रॉन्ग, तो सोल्यूशन न्यूट्रल हो जाएगा. इफ एसिड इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, सोल्यूशन विल बी एसिडिक. इफ द बेस इज स्ट्रॉन्ग, सोल्यूशन विल बी बेसिक. नाउ अ फोर्थ काइंड ऑफ सॉल्ट इज विच इज मेड अप ऑफ वीक एसिड एंड वीक बेस. तो इस तरह के सॉल्ट को जब वाटर में डिसॉल्व करेंगे तो सोल्यूशन का नेचर डिपेंड करेगा रिलेटिव स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ द एसिड एंड द बेस. जिस एसिड और बेस से ये सॉल्ट बना है, out of the two, means out of this acid and base, which one is more strong? So depending on that, the solution will be either acidic or basic.